They not say make small pikin not do teeth big. So far make it see lips when you go take cover am. I don this year now for rumor. Social media don't carry am. Nedwoko has left Regina. Nedwoko has left Regina. Now cause say man, they all do that, they go just leave her like that. Now say make I check who can be the new or the latest woman when come dey on board now. Who will be the latest bride when dey on board now? As I go check my people, I don't see anybody. Now your wife, your Morocco wife, now I see. Now I go say, this our Papa Yo-Yo. He get right. Thank God the man not carry another woman. Now your wife he carry. With this social media self, our own too much. Any small thing will just carry. The man now your wife he carry. Oh my man, so Mona no vex. I never greet. Welcome to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you didn't get post on YouTube or you didn't watch us, but you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we post video for. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Just e dey for here. You know, say anything wey don dey social media na so we dey shook our mouth put to me too. Me still join people wey dey shook mouth put to. I know say many people will come here come tell me say, na your business, Lady T, wetin concern you? Why dey shop another for another person head? Mona no vex. See, this one na still part of the business because na social media we don come. Before I be not dey tafia like this, so na this social media na come dey carry me dey tafia dey go. Because Regina matter now, we dey talk, another one dey come. As I come see and say, just dey ring bell for social media, say, he don't leave her. Now I come look am. I come to say maybe this Nedwoko don carry another woman, don't throw away Regina from one corner. But when I come look am, I come say, the man, oh God. Wetin people just dey expect, make this man carry, make he carry, so that they go see news carry. But the man, he don't talk and say Regina na bus stop. He talk about Regina na bus stop. You know the waka kurukere. You know the shop all the egusi, all the food where African people get. He don't already chop. He don't belle full. He get egusi. He get ogbono. He get ofo onugbu. He get edikaiko soup. So wetin he come dey find again for outside. As he come be say Regina just travel, he carry the other one. You understand? He not carry new one, so the man not get blame. Regina not get blame because Regina marry, not me say no go face the life. The poor girl, he go study for Dubai. Now they go study for Dubai because me now, I can't say make I see dig am, make I just see wetin dey happen. I can't discover say the girl go study because she's very young. She could enter her husband house. So that one not me say she could enter husband house. Just sit down me say because say he just use young age to enter husband house. You go just sit down for house with the back say your husband get money, not go fight for a life again or a future again. You go come tell apart for chest sit down for her say I don't marry and don't begin to live one kind of life. No, she dey fight for her life. She go Dubai, go study. She go study. She don't feel say because if I leave my husband will go shop for outside because of that one. I not go face the life again. She dey Dubai. If you see Regina, she not be the type where be saying she dey jealous, say why my husband do this one. If not say people dey there and she ready to cope, and she still go find her life, you know say definitely he carry one of them. He better pass say he go carry another new one for outside. So what do I expect? I better not leave the poor girl alone. When I'm not vessel for this video where they do so because it don't happen. That time when he married this man, that's all of us come out there. But the girl, she's enjoying her marriage. She's enjoying it. She don't go study now. If not be this man, now maybe she for not see the opportunity to go that side, say she want go study for Dubai. But she and now she don't go Dubai, go study. Now something she dey do for hands. You know me say she married, she young, she quit married because of that. She go just live a life like that. And the man self now say better man because I dey see and say the man. That's the Regina just travel. You know go outside. Let's see that new person they just see her with now. Hey, I will come say hey. Now wow, Regina don't enter one chance. But not be new person. As the be say Regina travel, it's so free carry the one way they follow Regina. What do you want? And the right thing the man do. The man for his religion, he get right to marry as many wives. The problem is say if you marry the wife, make it satisfied, and the man they try his best to. As soon as you stand like that, so people don't use man shopper. They say now say walking stick small. Whether they look as not be like that, they say they look walking stick because the tea they rise. I don't think people will kill me for this video. I know some people will come for me for this video. Yeah, they talk now. The man not vex so. As you just see me so, I dey talk. Yeah, I talk on this show. And if you don't talk and go that side, not be me. Now me gonna be the correct. You understand? Like, hey. Now just mouth I say they talk on hey. So the way people take condemn, you see that girl will come at that time. Say if you look nude, whether or not the hemi, they don't let me go cut on. Say if you just look and you go just know say the walking stick, not the day, not be belly that, my dear. Not be belly that. Regina when dey inside, you know what you see for inside. Not be belly that. So the thing they rise, the walking stick they rise. So won't forget that side. Man, I not vessel, man, I not come for me. I beg. I remember not come for me. This video I just use on the joke. I beg. And I see they use on the talk. Say Regina don't cane her life. You know, she and her husband they still dey. She go Dubai, she go study, and I like what she do. You understand? At least she go get more degree, you know. You go make person go school well, because nobody know wetin the future get for you. Not be say to get money. If na money, not be money make Regina they go say one go study. He just want study just for something, and one day that thing go come out. You understand? So money not be everything, and Regina just still go, she go study more to learn more, and I just like that. So na really good thing for her. So make people more than not judge her beg. I'm gonna leave the poor man alone. The man they don't too shop and malam we do soup for social media. And me see they talk my own for here, man are not vessel. Now I feel about what I see. Now I still come here can't talk. Because I really think say the man he go carry one young girl again. But now his wife is still there with, you know. I know some people they satellite this man, they watch this man bomber to bomber to make sure say they're not seeing with anybody, because anything will make them see with anybody. Hey, social media don't fool. But the man a person way correct now, and a correct man, you know it's time they talk. He not go fall for that trap. And I pray me not for the trap. I just wish them the best of luck, because I can't wait hungry person, that person better chop. Now what he like. I'm not here to judge anybody. Why he marry, why he not marry, because at first I felt think and say why. But later when I come say and I person for happiness. Marriage of a teen is not a bed of many roses, so my people. It's not a bed of many roses. Nobody will not they get difficulty for a marriage. Everybody they get your own side. Your own not be my own not be your own. Nobody will come and come natural say that a marriage be the best marriage so far. This marriage of a teen na luck. Now luck. If you marry young boy now, you know you get the luck. If you marry young boy now, you get the luck. If you marry old man, some people say that they marry Papa Yo-Yo, they know they get happiness. They feel say they marry Papa Yo-Yo, now they will get happiness. Happiness no they come. So marriage now by luck. Anywhere your luck come, they just pray say maybe you get luck for your own. But not be say you get luck for your own, say your own will come perfect or now go sweet pass. No. You understand? Now wetin we dey see every day. Marriage na school when be say person not they go finish. So I just say me I just can't talk this one the way I just dey see and say Regina don't go, don't share Gary. They don't share Gary. The poor girl go study. Now study now you go study she want make sense. She want turn her life to be something very important, and I like that. You know, because tomorrow now money full everywhere. You need to do something, and now what she they do now? Maybe what she go study now. Maybe if not doctor now, if you want to save some people life, and that one a good thing too. So I don't know if she study shower hair, but I know say she go study. But anyhow, my people, I say I just bring this video for now. I'm gonna just say cool on herself. I'm gonna take cool on herself while you wait time. So anyhow, my people, my pikin not let me do this video. They disturb me, but now so I'll post her. I'm not gonna cut her. And yeah, I'm gonna just watch this video. I'm gonna feel at home. We get all that video for you. When we say go entertain you, you know. Now so what they do and they call. This is Lady T, your friend, your sister. Your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, I did there for you. Thank you. Yeah, this video, I know say, you not too bam like that. My pikin just disturb. Everybody get children. I'm gonna take on like that. Because today I want to do this video. Christmas time don't reach. All of us with a boom. Me, I want to run now. They go do some things for the Christmas, you know. We need to do some kind of thing, you know, now that they prepare for Christmas. So my pikin now, they disturb me. I don't consider for you again. Say I want to do video. I beg. When I manage this video for you, and I gossip. All of us they gossip. Nobody will know they gossip. You when they say Lady T to they gossip. You know they gossip. All of us dey gossip o. Regina, carry go. Na your time you dey, so shine, study. I pray make God give you children so that children go see pass and come, you know. Do you know that I even see Regina for my dream? I see Regina mama. You know say me, I be true dreams. I be dreamer. I dey see people for my dream. Every one day I'll begin dey come out, come dey tell you now wetin I see for dream. I see Regina and the mama for my dream. Yes, so and this is some people talk say, hey, la, this and this. People don't they call me la. I see one comment for my comment section. The person say this woman lie. If he bomb, where you talk about? He say my life he bomb. I saw rock or so. He say if he bomb something. He say my life. They say this woman, even the one will drop one comment for me one day. What is up for the comment? He say, wait, so me I try to remember what this guy talk for the comment. So, I must remember what he talk for the comments. He said, this my life. I go seek outside love for Aduro. He said they go give me 5 years document. He said they give me he said they'll give me if I go Aduro as go seek for asylum. He said quick when I will talk my life in, he said they'll give me 5 years document. I look the comment, I begin to laugh. But when I dey turn up the laugh for real, I know they laugh for my video. I know they laugh. But many people they talk like that. Anyway, I take an part of social media. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Our Christmas, it don't come. Remember our prayer. That's our rubber bag prayer point on the 31st. Don't forget that prayer point once in a year. Very important. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye. This is my show today, just like a comedy show. I just say me at Tafia small. Bye bye. Please hit the subscribe button and see me again. Even my thinking they say bye bye. Don't show your face.
There is anything that is bothering you, my friend. Please say it so others will learn. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will see you through.